Good morning. I needed some filter for this video because it's 5:30 in the morning and I look hit, and it's okay because it's 5:30 in the morning. So let me tell y'all while I'm up. So last night I gave myself a deadline to record this video, and guess who didn't do it? This dummy. So I'm up recording it now at 5:30 in the morning. I got my tea, everything, we ready. But one thing I do want to ask is that when you guys watch this video, just please like comment some wall canvases, some wall art, or even some ideas for this wall behind my bed, just because it's really plain. I'm gonna give you guys like some insight. So like it's 4 walls, it's really small, but each wall has its own electrical socket, so that helps. And done like so many different things with this room, but I feel like this is it. Like this is just it. This is the most spacious way. This is it. So I don't want to over talk, so yeah, you guys stay tuned. Alright, so when you first walk in my room, the first thing you see is Louis. But if you look slightly above him, you'll see my vanity / my work area, and then you'll also see my dressing area. This dresser I got from IKEA. This is actually the mom dresser. And then I have my Himalayan Zen Garden along with my sage that I got from Five Below. These ceramic coasters you're actually going to see around my room, I got it from Burlington. And then here we just have like, you know, this little sugar bowl that I got from the dollar store, but around it is like some of my must-have perfumes that I use on a day-to-day. Of course, I have my TV. Now here we have some closet room space. Oh, and my wig hat. But here we have some closet space. This is basically where I keep my linen and like the clothes that's out of season. So like right now it would be summer clothes. Now also moving right along, we have here my etc. basket that I got from Michael's. Now over it, I just throw my Louis dust bag, that way that like you guys just saw, people can't just look right in there. Here I have some more closet space, which is where I have my shoes. I have some coats, some shirts, things like that, and then I also have some more shoes that I definitely need to go through. Right here you see that we have the fairy lights. I actually had these for a really long time, so I don't remember. I know I got them from Amazon. I don't remember which vendor, but I will look at my recent purchases to see if I can pull it up. I have this pink and white marble drawing board, which I just stuck some pictures to because it's magnetic. And then I also have my hamper, of course. I'm not going to get into detail about that one. Now here I have this vanity. Now I actually just got this vanity mirror yesterday from Amazon, and I mean, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. It gets really bright. Excuse my pajamas, you guys, but yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning. It gets really bright. Now it also has 3 different tones. So it has warm, I don't know if you guys can see, and then it has cool, and then it has like semi-warm. It also gets dimmer, and then it also gets bright as hell. Now on my vanity, I have these makeup organizer cups. So they're like mirrored and rose gold, which was so cute to me because you see, like, I'm with the white and the grays, but I am trying to implement some pink in there. I got these pens because I share my office space with my vanity, and I cannot have some hideous pens. These pens write real good. Don't let the looks, you know, usually when you get some cute pens, they don't write good. No, these pens write good. Here I have some like makeup brushes and then some beauty blenders that really needs to be clean. This mirror I got from Target. I have this idea and plans book from Target. My mouse pad is from Amazon, and then I have this Pecan Galore light box from Target. Yep, sorry. I'm having my morning tea, so don't mind that I have my good egg, bad egg cup. And then I have this skin on my keyboard from Amazon, which I love. So cute. And then I actually have my Mac, of course. Now here we have this chair that I got 2 days ago when I got the vanity mirror. This throw pillow I got from Five Below. I just threw it on there because even though this chair rolls better than my old chair, it's not very comfortable. So yeah. Now this desk I got from IKEA. Now I can't really remember the name of it right now, but I will look it up so that I can put it in the description box. In here we just kind of have, like, you know, some of my important information. We have that 400 writing prompts book, must have. You guys need to definitely go and look into that. So yeah, that's one of the drawers. And here I just have like girl stuff, necessities, nails, Excedrin, eye drops, balm, things of that nature. And then I just have this candle that I got from Target just because it had a rose gold color. Now, in here I just have like some more makeup brushes. Back there I just have some foundation. On this one I actually have hair products. And then down here I have the ugly pens, and then I have the stuff that's too tall, that's hair products. Underneath my desk I actually just have a wastebasket, and then I have this selfie station that I got from Amazon. Moving right along here, I have this ottoman that I got from Five Below for $5, and it's like a storage. We have my full body mirror now. Like I said, I have on my pajamas, don't judge me. But yeah, this full body mirror I actually got from IKEA. I've had it for a while, and then I just got this little rug from Amazon 2 days ago. I don't really like it that much, so yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to order another one. Here we have my nightstand that I got from IKEA. I'm so sorry, you guys. I suck with the names just because I had it for so long. And then I have like this acrylic organizer. So we have tea candles, my jewelry, eyelashes got to be next to the bed, and then like eyegel and things like that. This lamp I actually got from a dollar store by my house called Value Zone. And then right above it we have these curtains that I got from Value Zone as well. Now, not only are they really cute, but they are also blackout. So even if it wasn't 5:30 in the morning, which it currently is, you guys still wouldn't see any sunlight. Now moving on to my bed, I actually have a BB bed set on right now. As you guys can see, I kind of like to stick to my, hey Louie, hi. His bed is underneath the bed because somebody likes their privacy. But yeah, it's a BB bed set that I got from Burlington. As you guys can see, I like to stick to like the cool grays and the whites. That's my thing, but I did want to put a pop of color in my room, and that's where the peaches and the pinks come into play. So this throw pillow I actually got from Five Below. This I got from Value Zone. This one I got from Target. That came with the BB bed set. And then these two polyester pillowcases I got from Five Below. They're supposed to like protect your hair and things like that when you're sleeping. So overall, I don't like to sleep underneath my covers because I am one who hates making up the bed. Hate it with a passion. So I have the throw blanket on the end of my bed. I kind of just sleep under that in the nighttime. Now I want to give you guys like a full overall of my room, that way that you guys can actually see how it comes together. So it's like, that's the bedding area. Vanity. As you guys can see, I don't necessarily like a lot of clutter. So I kind of like things to just be like clean, and you know, I don't like to put like a lot of furniture in here. One thing that I do need help with is canvas art. I need it. I have like none. I have that one, but you see it's hidden behind a curtain just because I don't really like it that much. I need some type of wall art in here. If you guys have any ideas, please, 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 please give me some ideas. I didn't come say hi to the people. Hi, Pootie. Good morning. Mommy got you up early, I know. Sorry. Bye-bye. Say bye. No? Okay.